Hey guys, and welcome back to another JSpizzle crypto video. My name's JSpizzle. Today, we are going to talk about pump.fun some more, and we're going to talk about a trade that I got into last night that I made $7,500 on. We're also going to talk about a coin that we showed on our last video and what the potential gains you could have made on that was. Let's get right into it. So on our last video, we were kind of showing you around pump.fun, and we showed you a coin called Quack as an example. And I want to show you just the short clip of the video really quick. Less than an hour ago, about 40 minutes ago, this coin was at like a 5 or 6K market cap. And if you would have put in, let's say, you know, $200, then that would right now be worth $2,000. And this coin has not even hit radium yet. Okay, so this coin, we talked about, had you put in $200 then, that it, at the time of the video, would be worth $2,000. Well, lo and behold, this coin continues to go ahead and does another 10x from here. So that $200 from the bottom, if you would have held and sold at the top, you could have sold that for $20,000. See, now we were looking at this coin all the way down here, just a little above halfway on this candle, okay? And from here, within the next 2 hours, it went ahead and hit $486,000. But if you would have waited until the next day, it actually hit almost $800,000. And so you could have well over 10 extra money, even from the time of that video. If you would have pinned in $1,000, you still could have easily pulled out $6,000. Now, the thing about this is, you know, meme coins are always very risky. So you want to have what you call take profits. So whenever they get up to a certain market cap that you desire, it sells for you automatically, just like that. And you want to have stop losses as well, so that if it gets down to a certain place, you want to say, okay, I'm only willing to lose this much money. Now, the best place to do that is BullX. You can set buy and sell orders. You can trade in your sleep. You can have it trade for you if it gets up to $1 million, or if you want it to say that right now the price is $44,000, I want to go ahead and put in a trade, but I want it to sell for me if it gets down, let's say to the bottom of where it's been to already, and then that would be your stop loss. Referral link in the description. And now we're going to talk about a coin called Builders and Creatives. So about midnight last night, this guy comes up on live stream. And I mean, I get in this thing at like 9-10K market cap, okay? And the guy starts talking about how he has these $1 million businesses and how he sold this company for $40 million. And I'm just like, yeah, right, dude. You know, show me the proof that you're this big dog with these medical companies like you say you do. And so he starts posting these new articles. I was like, crap, this guy's legit. Like, this guy's legit. And so my first buy-in is around 9K. I mean, like I got in within the first 5 minutes of the coin, I think. And I dollar cost averaged in a little bit. And, you know, the price started ascending. It was going up and up and up. And the coin began bonding. And now I wish it showed you where I sold on the chart. It normally does. But you can see I put in around 1, 2, 2.5, 4, around 4.6 Solana was my total investment on this. And these are what I sold. So it was 14 hours ago, I bought these amounts right here in Solana. And 2 hours later, guys, in just 2 hours, 8.2 Solana sell, 4.56, 1.35, 1.5, 1.18, 1.12, 0.75, 1.14, 4.2, 2.4. I mean, just, you know, you go on, I dollar cost average in a bit, and then I sold 4.5 on the same wallet, and then whenever I woke up this morning and the price was, you know, a lot higher than it had been, I sold my moon bag for 9.36 Solana. So, in total, on this trade, I sold for $9,600 and profited $7,450. Now, let me go back to my full screen. You may say, like, wow, that's great. It is. It is great. Don't get me wrong. But had I held and sold at the very top, I could have made over $50,000. So, I wanted to secure profits like any good trader should. Maybe should have left a little bit more of a moon bag, but hey, I made $7,500 profit, so, can't be too upset. Now, watch this video go down in history when this coin goes to like tens of millions of dollars, and I go down as the idiot who sold at, a low market cap, but hey, whatever. But, this is just some of the potential upside on coins that you can make on pump.fun. Obviously, it's risky, and I love trading live devs that are showing their face. This dev was showing their face. So let's go ahead and look at the live streamers on pump.fun right now that are showing their face. So it would appear that only one of these people actually are showing their face. And again, I'm not endorsing this coin at all. These are for educational purposes only. In fact, I would say don't buy this coin because I've already looked at this. Reason being is he doesn't have any socials. There's no Twitter. There's no Telegram. There's no website. He just kind of came in this and did this. Another thing is when looking at the bump bot, which is very important to have when you're doing a coin on pump.fun, the bump bot only has $10 in it. That does not tell me that this person's very serious about the project if they only have $10 in the bump bot. It also doesn't tell me that they're very serious whenever they just launch a coin with absolutely no socials at all and just a squirrel holding a gun. Watch it go to tens of millions of dollars now. Stranger things have happened. I'm just saying, I try to get into like the safest investments also. The way that I do pump.fun is a lot different than most people. A lot of people like to FOMO into like volume, like Quack. We saw Quack. Probably 90% of coins or more that are bonding are CTOs, community takeovers. But that's okay because those are pretty risky. You always do your own research, but I like the docs devs. Like we saw with the Builders coin, made bucos money on that one. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I am going to put the BullX referral link in the description. I'm going to put my other referral links in the description. I'm also going to put my Telegram call group in the description. It's completely free, and I call low market cap gems like Builder coin every single day. I did not call it yesterday on the call group, but we also have a shill lounge that is also free, and that was called there, okay, between 10 and 15,000 market cap, with information about this dev being kind of famous, having 500 employees and, having millions and millions of dollars. This information was put there, and we did have other members of the community that bought in and were able to make a lot of money from this. One of them actually ended up becoming an admin of the Telegram group. We also have other good callers in our shill lounge that are calling low cap gems every single day. With low cap gems, it's low risk because you can only lose so much because the market cap's so low. Whereas with the high market caps, there's a lot to lose because of the downside. All right, until the next video, God bless you guys. See you then. See you real soon. Bye-bye.